And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 36. Let me show you how you can flip objects. We have a special function for that as well. Let's again create a rectangle here. And I've shown you in the last video the properties option, which kind of covers all of the transform options that we've got here. Let me, for example, rotate this rectangle a little bit. You can see that in real time. You can also hover over the edges and have click, drag to rotate. We also have this flip option, and that's not part of the transform menu, so that's somewhat new. And here you can just mirror it horizontally and vertically, and that's called flipping. So top to bottom or left to right. Let me show you that on a different object, maybe a triangle. I create that with the pen tool quickly. I select it. This menu is still available also for this object. And if I rotate that a little bit differently, you can see it even more clearly. This goes for all objects, so even if you import images, for example, or if you create text. And by the way, if you can't find the properties menu, go to Window, click on Properties. Let me just show you as an example a simple text element. And once again, don't worry, I'll go over the text tool right here and the pen tool in future videos. But you can see we can flip this as well, which is a mirror effect for horizontal and vertical flip. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.